Welcome. In this video, you learn how to round off, let's say a given variable to a given number of decimal places. For example, 2 or 3 or the number of decimal places a given symbol has. So to get started, here we're going to use something which we already had. We never made any changes upside there. We only made changes in the onTick function. So we are going to try to round off our ask and bid prices. So this is how we get the ask price. This is how we get the bid price. This is to display them onto the screen. So if we go to our terminal, you can see. Let me first compile this. If we compare, you can see we have many decimal places. Now, to round them off, we are going to use a function called normalize double. So, for example, to round off the ask price, we are going to say ask is equal to normalize double the current ask price to a given number of decimal places. In this case, we can try, let's say, for example, with 1 decimal place. And also for the bid price, we can do the same. Bid is equal to, let's say, bid. For this one, let's round it off, let's say, to 3 decimal places. And we compile. We can compile using F7 shortcut, or you could just press compile there. So when you come, you can see the bid price has 3 decimal places, as price has only 1 decimal place. To round them off to the given number of decimal places the given symbol has, for example, your USD, GBP they tend to have like 5 decimal places, while USDN it tends to have like only 3 decimal places. Yeah, I think that's it. But to round off, let's say, to the given number of decimal places the symbol has, you use this thing called digits. It gets the number of decimal places a given symbol has. Alright, and that's it. We can compile again. And as you can see, it's to 5 decimal places. If you come to GBP USD, it has 5 decimal places. And that's it. You have your symbol function. And that's it. And this is the simple code. Thank you for watching.